Hey everybody, it's Sean from Our Vision Nomadic Living, and in this video I'm going to be replacing the black tank gate valve on our fifth wheel trailer. Okay everybody, so what we've got here is the Valterra 3-inch electric gate valve. So this is looking directly up underneath with that camoplast underbelly rolled up, and the big pipe you can see right there is my black tank pipe, and basically the valve right there my dead cat is pressed up against the underbelly of the trailer, so can't get it up any higher, but I've got to remove that valve right up there. Let's see if I can get this in here. Might have to grab my GoPro. You can see the gate valve right here. You're gonna remove this entire gate valve and replace it with that electronic one. Undo these bolts. Hopefully this valve's gonna slip right out. The new one's gonna slip right in. We'll find out. It takes an 11 millimeter. Let's see if we're going to be able to get the... One. Ta-da! So we got a seal here and a seal on this side. I was hoping that it was going to be easy to, so we'll put those like that, stick our new seals on. Hopefully they're the right seal, right? Should be. Of course, it would be my luck that it wouldn't be the right seal. That on. That on. Yo. I want to mount it this way just because of the way the wires. Maybe I ought to. There like that. Back together. Now we just got to run the wiring. We fish the wire down along the top of the tank, and my wire's coming up. We're gonna plug it against that. We're gonna plug it in right by that wall. So that worked out all right. All right, well, I got the wiring spliced into the power, and you're looking at the back side of the switch right there. And hopefully this is gonna work out good. All right, everybody, I'm gonna have Zach hit the button and we'll see if it works. Oh yeah, that opened pretty fast. And back, and oh, my and back. All right, success. I just have to come up here and push the valve open, and we've heard it. And so there's an indicator light now right there showing me that the valve is open. And then we'll close it again. And it's closed. So I'm pretty happy with this install. It's not where I wanted to put the valve in the switch in the first place, but it is right here where I can utilize my dump. And I've showed this before on videos, but this is basically a twist-on valve, and it's what I call a catastrophe valve. Certainly in the last few months with that black valve leaking a little bit, it sure has been nice. So I'm able to close this valve all the time, and then you know, I hook up my sewer, and even though I turned that valve on, basically a little bit of what was in the black has come down and filled that pipe. No mess. So when I'm ready to dump, I just pull this valve, and then of course everything voids out of the system. So overall, it was a pretty easy install. About a week ago, I took a chisel and punch and knocked out the rivets holding the camoplast underbelly, and then so I could see what I needed to order. And then I went ahead and as shown in the video, I just put a few zip screws in it to hold it up while that part was on order. So it was easy to pull that back down. You saw, I mean, the valve went in very smoothly. Took a little bit of time to run the wiring and install the switch, but overall, a pretty easy install. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe and follow Angie, Jazz, and I on our journey. And I'll put links in the description below for the valve that I used in the system. So anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you down the road.